Hello folks, today I am going to show you how to replace these shocks in the trunk. Over time the shocks can become bad, they can go bad and leak gas, and they don't work that well. So you can notice that like when you try to close your lid of the trunk, it will close with a thud rather than smoothly closing. So in this case you need to replace those. It's very easy work. Basically order a replacement one. You need two of them. I ordered them online. Now you can either buy the OEM or buy the replacement aftermarket parts. They're all good. Make sure you put it next to it and see that the length matches right before you start taking out the old ones. Now taking the old one out is very easy. There is a spring loaded basically at the top. You pop the spring out with a screwdriver, and same thing at the bottom. So you take a screwdriver and put it in this notch, and you can basically pop it. It will come out. Like this. It's all spring loaded, so there is nothing to tighten or anything. You just pop it and hold the lid up a little bit so that it doesn't close on you. Make sure you have a friend or somebody hold it, or you can hold it with your shoulder and then pull it out. It's basically just pulls out. So it looks like this, right? There's a ball part, and then this goes into that spring loaded. Now the other part also is very similar. So you take out that and just give it a nudge, it comes out. It came out. Now take the new one, and the thicker part is up and the thinner part is down. Okay, so you put the thicker part here and push. Now this one will have to turn it a little bit so that the hole aligns. So you push it like this, and that's it. So you start with a flathead screwdriver. Now if you look at this carefully, there is a small metal strip. So what you need to do is pry a little bit. It's, I think if you have a smaller one, a smaller screwdriver is better. This is a little bit bigger, but it pops out. Okay, you don't need to take, don't take it all the way out, just make it stand like this. And same thing on the other side. So same here, there is a metal strip here, spring, and you pop out. Make sure you do one at a time, and ask your friend to hold the trunk up. Actually, if you have one of them working, it will stay up, but I would basically maybe support with something so that it doesn't close on you. Okay, so I'm going to basically do the same thing and pop this one. All right, so once you have that spring up, you basically wiggle it and it just comes out. And then on the other hand also we did take it out, so you just pull it up and it comes out. All right, now we're going to put a new one. You can notice that as soon as I took one of them out, the the trunk cover doesn't stay up. just one of them doesn't hold it, so we need both of them. But at least you can see how it is installed, so you do the same way on this side, right? And you can see that the thick part is up and the thin part is down. So now you put the thin part here and put it down here, right, and align it here, and basically you put on top of the small part and push it. Once you push it, it just fits there, and you do the same. You have to do, basically you push it in that small part there. It's easy. So once you fit it, that's how it should look. Basically it's going through that plastic part and fitting, and make sure you basically push it all the way so that it's there. The spring should be fitting like this,